Gusto ni Lord makita mo ito. Keep going. Kung anumang struggles na pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, part yan ng journey mo to have a successful life. Focus on your strength. Cheer up. Kahit malayo ka pa, malayo ka na. Ang dami mo nang nalampasan at kakayanin pa. God is here to support and guide you always. Naniniwala siyang makakaya mo. God is rooting for you. Siya yung unang naniniwala sa iyo at nagtitiwalang magiging matagumpay ka. Kaya if you're feeling down right now, may this message be a reminder that God got your back. Kaya mo yan. Yes, malayo ka pa. But if you're willing to wait and work harder, sabi nga ni Lord, be patient because there's always a right time for everything. At kahit na wala kang kailangan o hiling, pray to God. O kahit pa maganda na yung estado ng buhay mo, palagi kang magpasalamat. Palagi mong balikan si Lord at iparamdam sa Kanya ang grateful ka.